Hope you all are doing good in your summer vacation. Now it's time to come back to school. So, here is my today's topic, that is numbers up to 9999. In this topic, you're gonna study about two-digit number, three-digit number, as well as four-digit number. So, without wasting the time, let's get started. Here are some importance of numbers. We often wonder why we should study numbers. I know all of you have got a doubt in your preschools why your maths teacher will trouble you like that to read the numbers, write the numbers either in expanded form or in short form. And I'm sure you all would have hated us. But today you're gonna get all the solutions for the questions which arose at that time. Here are some questions which you would answer to yourself if you doesn't know numbers, how would your life be? So, for a minute, forget off whatever numbers you have studied until now and imagine you doesn't know any numbers. So, here goes my first question. If you do not know counting, will you be able to read the time? We all have a habit of looking to the clock to know the time. At what time we slept, at what time we woke up, and whenever we go out, we usually look at the watch to know the time. Now, you all doesn't know any numbers. Without knowing the numbers, can you be able to read the clock? Is it possible to read it? Here comes my second question. Will you be able to read the calendar? I know we all have a habit of looking to the calendar every day to know the dates, month, year, and etc. Now, you doesn't know any numbers. Without knowing the numbers, can you be able to mark the dates from the calendar? Here comes my third question. Will you be able to buy things from the market? We all have a habit of running with our mother when she goes to the market to buy snacks, biscuits, chocolates, or whatever we want. Yes? Now, imagine now also you went with your mother to buy your own snacks, biscuits, chocolates, etc. Now, your mother asked you to pay the bill or give the shopkeeper money. Without knowing numbers, what will you pay to the shopkeeper and what you will return back as a change? Coming to my last and the final question, will you be able to use telephone and computer? As you all know, we live in a digital world where each and every one of us are equipped with telephones, smartphones, Android sets, yes, computers, laptops, and etc. Imagine your mom has gone out. Yes, you want to call her and ask her to come home early. Without knowing the numbers, how will you dial a number and give a call to her? Is it possible? Obviously no, right? So answer for all this question is no. That means numbers are very much essential in our life. So let's have a quick recap of whatever you have studied in your previous classes. Introducing tens. Let us find one more than greatest one digit number. Which is the greatest one digit number? It is 9. So now I'm gonna add 1 to 9. Now my answer will be 10. That is 1 followed by 1 0. that is a two-digit number. Now, 10 is the smallest two-digit number. I have a question for you. Looking at the greatest one-digit number, can you just tell me what will be the greatest two-digit number? Yes, it is 99. Here is the Indian place value chart where the ones column is represented as O and the tens column is represented as T. And I have taken a small example in which I have allotted 4 in ones column and 2 in tens column. Will I read it separately? No, I will read it together as 24. Here are some solved examples on how to write the numbers in words. So my first example is 53, which is nothing but 53. Second question, 26, which is nothing but 26. And my last question is 89, which is read as 89. Now, moving on to hundreds. Let us find one more than greatest two-digit number. As you all said, the greatest two-digit number is 99. When I add 1 to the greatest two-digit number, I end up with a three-digit number, that is 100. It is nothing but 1 followed by two zeros. 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Again, I have a question for you. Looking on to the greatest two-digit number, just guess the greatest three-digit number. Yes, you are right. It is 999. Have that in your mind and we will come across it in our further discussion. Here I have taken the Indian place value chart for three-digit number, that is ones, tens and hundreds, in which I have taken an example where I have allotted 9 in ones column, 8 in tens column and 4 in hundreds column. Here I am going to read the number as 489. So here we go with some of the examples regarding how to write the numbers in words. My first question is 361, which is read as 361. And my second question is 247, which is read as 247. Here comes my third question, that is 810, which is nothing but 810. Moving on to thousands place. So, as I have added 1 to the one digit and the two digit, here also I am going to add 1 to the greatest three digit. And you all told me which is the greatest three digit number. It is 999. When I add 1 to the greatest three digit number, I end up with a four digit number, that is 1000, which is 1 followed by three zeros. 1000 is the smallest four digit number. Moving on to the Indian place value chart. Here I have ones, tens, hundreds as well as thousands, and I have allotted an example of the number in which 8 is allotted in ones column, 4 is allotted in tens column, 5 is in hundreds, and 3 is in thousands. I would read it as 3548. So here is an examples of how to write the numbers in words for 4 digits. My first example is 2183, which is nothing but 2183. Going on to my second example, 6402, which is nothing but 6402. And my last question, 5936, which is read as 5936. So students, in today's class, we have studied about 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, as well as 4-digit numbers. In our next class, let us study something about face value, place value, expanded form, and so on. Until then, stay home, stay healthy, have a nice day. Bye everyone.